Hi, my name is Mr. Mike Webb, and I teach the computer science programming program here at Prosser. In this program, through both years, we explore programming languages such as Python, C#, Java, SQL, and PHP. So we're a project-based program where you will be taught and then you will be challenged to create your own applications, your own projects with room for creativity and exploration along the way. Also in this program, you'll be offered up to 15 college credits through both years of the program. These college credits include a couple of classes in software development, database management, informatics, and the such. In fact, you'll only be a class or two away from industry certifications through Ivy Tech and Purdue Tech, IU, and even U of L. So great opportunities. We have the opportunity to job shadow industry leaders, both nationally and locally. You'll have, in the second year, potential to intern with some local employers to gain valuable insights. We have guest speakers, and we have a pretty good advisory club, board members here. So if you like to build applications, build games, if you're into graphic design and creativity, this is the program for you. And I'd like to see you and talk with you more if you're interested. Thank you.